guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not, welcome back guys. Today I have this gorgeous set of angel nails for you guys. If you all are interested to see how I created this gorgeous set of nails, then stay tuned guys. Okay guys, I will be doing a fill today. I already file and prep my nails, so now I am priming with super nail primer. I will be using super nail liquid and clear powder. The glitter I'll be using today is from Cribbean glitter candy collection. So guys, I'm just dipping my brush into that glitter and just placing small amount on my nails. So as you can see guys, I'm just taking up small amount and I'm moving it around. My brush is pretty wet, so I'm just moving it around so I could get everything in place in the way that I like it, guys. So after I finish place my glitter, I'm going to cap my nails. And as you can see guys, I am using very small amount. This is a fill, so I am trying not to put too much of my product so my nails will be bulky. Okay guys, I already filed my nails. I will be using the Wonder Gel No Wipe Top Coat and I will be curing for 60 seconds. I will be using this gorgeous pink chrome powder that I picked up from the Born Pretty store. If you all are interested in any products, I will leave all links down in the description bar down below, guys. Guys, I did use 2 coats of the chrome powder and now I'm putting on my top coat and I will be curing again for 60 seconds. Guys, this is the final result of this gorgeous angel nails. I hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit up that notify bell so you all can be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.